Hello everyone! Today we are going to understand raster cropping and learn how to perform it in the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop application. Raster cropping is the process of cutting or extracting a specific area from a raster file, such as an orthophoto or DSM, based on your area of interest. Now, let's start the step-by-step process. First, open the Surveyaan GeoWorkspace Desktop application and choose your working interface. Then switch to the new UI. After switching to the new UI, you will see the post-processing section at the top. Click on Post-Processing. Next, go to the Add Layer option. Here, select Raster and then add your raster file. Now you have to select the both raster files one by one, such as the orthophoto and the DSM. After selecting both, you also need to add the vector file. You can add a shape file or a KML file. Make sure to select these files one by one. Now, on the left side, you will see the third tool, which is the Raster Cropping tool. Click on the Raster Cropping tool. Now, you can perform raster cropping using the orthophoto along with the polygon shapefile. After setting this, click on the Run button. Next, again open the Raster Cropping tool. This time select the DSM file along with the KML file. Then click on Run. After the cropping is done, you can delete the original layers, such as the orthophoto and DSM if required. Now, you will be able to see that the cropping is completed, and you can save the output file in the same folder. Thank you so much for watching this video.